The star Sirius is the brightest star. Have calculated the distance from us at being 8.5 light years. It was noted in very recent, thanks to modern telescopes, Sirius moved with another star much smaller than it and invisible to the naked eye. Scientists call this two-star system Sirius A and Sirius B. These is Sirius A, which is the brightest star that can be seen within. Its mass is 3 times that of the Sun and 10 times than it. Sirius B, on the other hand, is a white dwarf star. It cannot be seen with the eye. It possesses approximately the same mass as the Sun, although since its diameter is only 4 times that of the Earth, it is very much more dense. Stars in the Sirius system heading towards our direction at thousands of kilometers an hour. The direction of the rotation of Sirius horizon is the same as our solar. In other words, 5 days and 6 hours. Because they have discovered this interesting common feature and the solar system, when Sirius first appeared on the horizon, the first day of their calendar. Because of such characteristics, the star Sirius many ancient civilizations. It was believed that this star possessed various powers, and some even went to such excess of depravity as to worship it. The fact is, though, that it is God, the Lord of the worlds, who created the star Sirius and all the features it possesses, just as he did everything else. To Sirius, known as Ra in Arabic, in verse 49 of Surat An-Najm of the Qur'an. It is he who is the Lord of Sirius. Sirius double stars orbit in ellipses around. The orbital period of Sirius A and B about their common gravity is 49.9 years. This scientific data is today accepted with one accord by the Departments of Astronomy at Harvard, Ottawa, and Manchester universities. This information is reported as followed in various sources. Sirius, the brightest star, is actually a twin star. Its orbit lasts 49.9 years. As is known, the star Sirius A and Sirius B orbit each other in a double bow every 49.9 years. Here is the double, bow-shaped orbit of the two stars around one another. We've seen that the star Sirius is referred to in Surat An-Najm, verse 49. We also hear a very wise analogy in verse Surah. He was 2 bow lengths away, or even closer. As we far, Sirius is referred to in verse 49 of the surah, and verse 9 of the same surah contains the expression 2 bow lengths to refer to the 2 stars. When we combine the numbers of these 2 verses, in other words 49 and 9, we obtain the number 14.9, the duration in years of these stars' orbits. We are faced with a mathematical miracle. Given the technological means available 1400 years ago, It was, of course, impossible for people living then to know that the star Sirius, one of which is too small to be seen with the naked eye, was actually a two-star system, that both these stars' orbits were in the form of a bow. Orbits lasted for 49.9 years. Scientists information towards the end of the 20th century. Mighty Lord, the creator of everything from nothing, the absolute, revealed these facts in the Qur'an, and God knows best. This scientific fact that nobody would have known at the time of the revelation of the Qur'an once again proves that the Qur'an is the word of Almighty God.